Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a dent in a Jeep Wrangler bumper. First, gather your essential tools: a heat gun, some clean cloths, and a sturdy pair of work gloves. Make sure your bumper is thoroughly clean and dry. Also, have a bucket of cold water or ice nearby. This will be crucial for the cooling process later on. Let's get that dent out. Now, let's apply some heat. Hold your heat gun about 6 to 8 inches away from the dent. Keep the gun moving constantly in a circular motion to distribute the heat evenly and avoid scorching the plastic. You'll want to heat the area until the plastic feels warm and flexible, but not so hot that it becomes shiny or starts to deform excessively. Patience is key here. Once the plastic is warm and pliable, it's time to reshape it. If possible, reach behind the bumper and gently push the dent outwards with your gloved hand or a blunt, non-marring object. Apply steady, even pressure. You should see the plastic slowly pop back into its original form. Work slowly and carefully to avoid creating new imperfections. Almost there. After the dent is out, it's crucial to cool the area quickly. Use your cold water or ice to rapidly cool the plastic. This sudden temperature drop will help the plastic set and retain its newly restored shape. Once cooled, give your bumper a final inspection. If there are any minor imperfections, you can repeat the heating and pushing steps carefully. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.